Thank you, INIU, for sending these items to check out. We are looking at the INIU wireless car charger along with the VICSEED magnetic car phone mount. And we are going to be comparing the two. And right off the bat, you can tell the INIU seems a lot bigger compared to the VICSEED. But let's check out what's inside of it first. Let's start with the VICSEED. Right here, we got a warranty card. It kind of looks like a business card. The car vent mount, if it goes on the vent. Then another part of the phone mount. We have the manual. And then accessories. Seems we have a couple different magnets here, cleaning wipes. The metal rings are single use. They are not reusable. Then we have the matchup card. Then we have the matchup card. Then fixed matchup card stickers. We have operating instructions. Magnetic car phone mount should be used in the following 3 usage conditions. 1. If it's an iPhone 12 newer version series with MagSafe cases or a magnetic case used without the metal ring. And step 3. If it's an iPhone 12 newer version plus non-magnetic case, you will need to use the magnetic ring, or any other phone that has a non-magnetic case. Then assembling the metal ring. There are 2 ways to paste the metal ring, which are listed as follows. Please choose them accordingly to your needs. A bare phone. Please use the slim metal ring. Okay, so this one looks like the slim ring. Assembling the metal ring. There are 2 separate ways to paste the metal ring, listed as follows. If it's just the bare phone, use the slim ring. If the phone has a smooth case, use the slim ring. If the phone has a textured case, please use the thick metal ring. Then if you were to install using the thick ring here, first step would be to take the cleaning wipe out of this package, and then you would clean the surface. And we also would need to measure and center it. And it looks like mine would be 6.7 inch. The blue line would touch the top here, and the 6.7 would touch the bottom here. And then center the left and the right. You'd want to use the transparent sticker to hold down the matchup card and hold it in place. So when you get the ring that you need, take off the protector for the adhesive, and then install it, so it'll be in the center. Then it says to wait 24 hours after applying the ring. Alright, so installing the base is easy. You're going to take off the nut, right? And then we have the ball joint. We are going to push it into the base of the mount until it clicks. Then you will tighten the nut. But see, right now it's like fighting me, and I haven't even barely made a few turns. That means it's lopsided. Need to even it out, and then it should thread in really easy. Then you are going to twist the locking handle to open up the holder for the vent. Then when you're ready, you close it to secure it into the vent. And these are the suitable car vents. This style are most suitable for the car mount, and these are not suitable for the car mount. So we have the S24 Plus Galaxy, and even though it does have a magnetic part that you can use to wireless charge different things, the VICSEED will not hold very well. I mean, only if you don't move. But if you slightly put it in an angle, it'll just slide right off. So it will need the magnetic rings to hold it into place. And now we'll be looking at the INIU wireless car charger. Let's see what's inside. We have the paperwork. We have it upside down. Comes with a USB cable, a USB-C to USB-C connection. Then we have the two mounts. This is for the dashboard, and I guess this one's for the vent. Then we have the wireless car charger. We have the bracket, the release buttons right here on the bottom. We have the clamp arms, the rotary knob, the magnetic charging pad. Then we have, can't see right now, but we have the light. Then we have the light button. And then the USB-C port. Okay, we have the suction cup mount. We have the lock lever. Then the air vent mount. The hook. The rotary cup. Do not use a USB-A port in the vehicle. It says the magnetic charging is only for the iPhone 12 series and later. And that the mount is compatible with 5.8 inch to 7 inch iPhone. Okay, we're gonna plug in some power here. It says by default the flashing lights followed by 6 color gradients. Alright, that is default. Then the light mode, you're going to keep pressing the button on the back to change the color. So let's say you wanted purple. You can select purple. If you see flashing red, it means that there's a foreign object detected. And for the suction mount here, avoid curved or grooved surfaces for best grip. And high in-car temperatures above 78.8 may slow charging, reduce heat, improve speed. Thick cases, such as OtterBox cases with the finger ring grip or a car holder, may cause overheating or other issues while charging. Leather cases retain heat more than the silicone or transparent cases. The suction cup mount installation looks simple enough. Just loosen the knob, put the ball joint into the bracket till it snaps in there, then tighten the knob back up. Then you will remove this cover here from the suction cup, but for now we'll leave it on. Then once you have it on something, you're going to press this down, this lock lever, to lock it into place. The S24 Plus Galaxy work with the INUI wireless car charger, and we have the OtterBox also installed onto the case. So we're gonna, you see here, it says fast wireless charging 90%. It's gonna take 21 minutes until it's full. So we're gonna clamp on. Charging is still working, so that's good. How well does it hold? So let's say you're in a bumpy car ride. So if your car shakes anything more than that, you're probably in a real bad position. You're not having a good time. But that's the worst case scenario. You're having it upside down. So yeah, that's just an extreme example. Then with the air vent bracket, this knob here will give you how much you need for the bracket to install into the vent. Then install the ball joint into the bracket. Tighten it. This bracket is going to lock on to the back of the vent. Then you connect it to the power source, 20 watt, with the power delivery or a quick charge. Both VICSEED and INIU have magnetic mounting, while the INIU has the wireless charging. Then the VICSEED is compatible with all phones. If they have MagSafe, you don't need the ring, but if you don't have the MagSafe, you'll need to install the ring onto the device. And it says here that the iPhone is only compatible with the 12 to 16 series, but I installed using my Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with the case, and I was able to hold that and charge it. Then the VICSEED, of course, has no charging, and then the INUI has the QI2 15 watt fast wireless charging. So you'll need at least a power delivery connected to it that can do at least 20 watts or more. Then you can connect it to the vent type connection here. With the INU, we have this kind of connection. It doesn't have any kind of like silicone or rubber, anything to make it less anti-slip, unless that's what you want. You wanted to slide across the vent. But of course the weight, if you're going to do that, the weight can't be more than 5.9 ounces if you go with that route with the vent mount. But with this one, we have the VICSEED, has a non-slip type of material. Kind of feels like silicone to help keep it from sliding when you clamp down onto the vent. Because you don't want it too tight, but just tight enough. Of course, if you use the clamp style here connected to the INU, it can hold up to 8.4 ounces, whether you're putting on the dashboard or onto the windshield. Then on the back here, you can see there's a fan blowing to try to keep the device cool. And this has been the comparison of the VICSEED magnetic car phone mount and the INU wireless car charger.